Hello, this is Jason Grubb with DAYlube, and today I'm excited to announce that DAYlube is now available for the Lube-Shuttle. So what is the Lube-Shuttle? Well, the Lube-Shuttle is a new type of grease gun that's been introduced in Europe and is gaining popularity across the globe, including North America. So what's all the hype about the Lube-Shuttle? Well, it is a very easy to use, very clean system. Let me demonstrate for you. To use the Lube-Shuttle, uncap the tube, press the grease until it's just starting to exit, screw the cartridge into the Lube-Shuttle, and start greasing. It's that simple. Clean and easy. And if you need to change cartridges mid-tube, it's easy to just unscrew it, cap it back off, and change the cartridge out. Very clean, very easy system. Now, we have created a starter kit to get you started with that. The starter kit includes the Lube-Shuttle with a 20-inch whip hose and a 6-inch metal tube. And we also are going to throw in 2 tubes of the DAYlube grease. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at DAYlube.com. Thank you.